I'm Mantaha. Welcome to a life of wellness. Embrace yourself to explore the power of mind, body, and soul.
I've always been overweight because I've had like a binge eating disorder for a very long time. When I was 13 years old, my room caught fire and my lungs got damaged. And I was very against the idea of like exercising. I hated it.
Pakistan and the South Asian communities have gone up on mental health and depression. And if you look at the researches, most of them are under depression and they have anxiety issues. We are one of the poorest countries, but we happen to be one of the most obese countries as well. Most of us are suffering from either diabetes, high insulin levels, high cholesterol.
And then this Monday, my mom was like, she was like, enough is enough. And she tricked me into going to Mantaha. 3 days later, I joined. And my first class, I started crying. I bawled my eyes out.
They usually come to me at a pre-contemplation stage. So when these clients sit with me, I get their blood work done. I speak to them. I speak to them about what triggers them, what are the barriers that they don't want to work out. A lot of them are lazy. And I always say start is 50%. Just start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Setting trends is something that Mantaha brand itself has always been doing, and pioneering the Zumba, pioneering bar, pioneering corporate wellness in Pakistan, which was non-existent before.
मेरे दिमाग में एक आइडिया है कि हम जो है जुबली में हम हेल्थ पे काम करते हैं तो क्यों ना हम एक वेलनेस पे काम करें, और इसके लिए मैंने फिर मंतहा को कांटेक्ट किया और उनको हमने अपना वेलनेस एम्बेसडर अपॉइंट किया 2015 में जाकर.
That we are working in corporate environments in our country, most of the time the jobs are quite sedentary. There's lack of movement. There is lack of flexi hours that have been given to these employees. We do corporate wellness programs. Corporate wellness programs are conducted within the corporation during the corporate hours.
तो मंतहा की एक तो प्लस पॉइंट ये था कि मंतहा वन स्टॉप शॉप थी. फिटनेस को भी देख रही थी, वो मेंटल हेल्थ को भी देख रही थी, वो आपकी न्यूट्रिशन को भी देख रही थी. चीज़ें उनको न्यूट्रिशन में भी उनके पास एक्सपर्टीज़ है उनका. तो अगेन आपको 2-3 लोगों को करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. आपको एक ही उसमें आपको चारों चीज़ें जो आपको चाहिए वो मिल रही थी.
I did not want to continue, but then she sat with me for like 2 hours, 3 hours. She counseled me and she made me feel comfortable, and then I started working out with her.
I always start with coaching and lifestyle counseling. So for 45 minutes, I know all my clients.
Now my perspective has changed in the sense where I genuinely enjoy exercising. I have a lot of fun. I'm the first person who's always there. Whoever comes, it's sort of a place of comfort for everyone.
Whatever I learned from that consultation regarding about the mindsets, regarding about the barriers and the openings and the stresses and the de-stresses of that particular human being, I will use that to make out a proper workout regime for them that will ultimately help them move. It's basically when you move, you'll get a stronger mindset and will end up reaching to a more satisfactory state of living, which I call the soulful state. It's the harmony of the mind, body, and soul. AP has helped me with this incremental customer base or customer loyalty that I'm saying, because there are things about the strengths about my business that I didn't know myself. And my future plan consists of going nationwide, having facilities in at least the big cities of Pakistan, and catering to them with their mindset solutions.
I would call it something that's very personalized and something that a place that looks at everyone and cares about everyone equally. And working there also has helped me a lot with my mental health. It has completely changed me. I feel a lot more confident. I'd like to call myself a strong, independent woman now because that's who I feel like I am.